Hello everyone, as you can see this is a Philips DVD player home theater system with 5.1 speaker system. So this one, the problem is the system device is switching off by itself after a few minutes of operation. So as you can see, when I press the power key it switches on Philips and everything goes okay, but sometimes it switches off after 10 minutes, sometimes after half an hour, etc. So let's try to solve this one. Before continuing removing the back cover or the top cover, we need to switch off the device and remove the plug from the walls output. After that, just pull it from this side and from this side, widen it and try to show you how it needs to be done. Just widen it from the side, pull it up in this way. So now when I switch it on, the main problem is with the fan. So I will switch on the device. If you carefully hear, you can hear the noise from the fan. So this shows that the fan is not working properly. For example, I will stop it. Sometimes it does not start. See, it is not rotating. Again, for when I push it, it will start rotating. So this shows that the fan has gone bad. Because of this, the device is overheating and it's turning off by itself. So let's replace the fan now. For replacing the fan, we need to remove these two screws, one this one and this one. Switch off the device. Okay. Take a plus bit screwdriver. Just pull this connector gently. This is the fan. The fan rating is 12 volts 0.7 watts. So if the wattage differs, it's okay. Now this is the fan I got from Amazon, online purchase. So I'll be providing the link for this fan in the description of this video. Okay, as you can see, this fan thickness is also the same. It's of 15 mm. And rating is also same, 12 volts. But the wire is a little bit lengthy, no worries. Just see that this polarity will match. When you hold these two, the red should be on this, red and black, red and black. If the new fan polarity is different, for example, if it is the red is on that side and the black is this side, what you can do is just take a small pin, insert it here, push it from here and pull the wire. You can interchange the polarities. So now we will fix this. Just you can see here in this way. See that the label side is facing towards the cabinet, that is outside. so that the air will be blown out. The heat inside will be blown out. Take the screw, even after replacing the fan, if your device has problem of switching off, etc., just we need to check which component is consuming more power and causing the overheat and the system is shutting down, or else maybe there are chances that some of the capacitors might have gone bad, so we need to check and replace them. Meanwhile, if you want, you can tag this one and place it here. Presently, as I need to test the device yet, so I'm not fixing the wire. Now let's switch it on. As you can see, this fan does not have any noise. Let's switch it on. So now this fan, you can see when I stop it and leave the hand, it will rotate by itself. See? Right. Take one tag like this and just press the cable. See that the tag is not a metal one. If it is a metal one, it should be insulated. And just place it here this way. Plug and see, and it's good. Just switch off the device before fixing the top cover. And fasten the screws. Hope this video is going to be helpful for you in solving the automatic shutdown problem of your Philips DVD home theater system. If this video was helpful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.